guys, today's vlog is gonna be a chill cleaning my car with me, a very necessary deep cleaning and detailing. I'm excited. I'm gonna be trying out some new products. I've been neglecting my car for like a while now. It's kind of sad, but just like with the weather, it's just been like very lazy. It's like windy today. Weather's very bipolar and it makes me not want to be outside and washing my car. So she's very dirty, but it's okay. We're gonna get her right today and I'm excited. I think I'm gonna do a voiceover because I just want to listen to some music and just like chill, you know, like have this be part of a self-care routine is having a clean car. Okay, let's get to cleaning this now. The number one thing that gets dirty on my car is obviously my wheels. My disgusting white wheels that 90% of the time they don't even look white. Real life crisis in my life.
There's people that are dying. I just told you.
I am always looking for new wheel cleaners, so today I'm going to be trying Rev Auto's Breakaway. I've heard good things about it. Let's see if it can tackle this because it's not right. This should be like illegal. Just for like a reference, I have not washed my wheels in maybe like a month. Like I think I went all of December without washing my wheels and we are now in January. It is January 11th. All of these wheel cleaners always have like different instructions. They say to dilute it or to wet the wheel first and then put the wheel cleaner on, or like vice versa. So always read your instructions to make it work the best. Simply wet the wheel with water and spray Breakaway onto the wheel and allow it to break down for a maximum of 30 seconds. So I'm gonna do one wheel at a time just to really test it out. Give them a really good scrub. I have my wheel brush because nothing is gonna get rid of this dirt. It's been on there for a while. I'm using a specific wrap shampoo. Here it is. Let's see if you notice any difference. I did get their interior cleaner as well, and I actually got the quick detailer, but I'm not gonna quick detail it right now because I already washed it and I'm not even going anywhere. So I'm just gonna save this for another day, and I'll keep you guys updated, maybe on my Instagram or in a future video. I'll just like let you know how I liked it. So yeah, I'm going to be using the Revive interior cleaner, and this is good for plastic, leather, and vinyl. So I'm doing a little pump in it. So far, I'm really liking their products, honestly. I really liked the shampoo for the wrap. I feel like my wrap has like a glow to it right now. I usually don't wash my car at home anymore, so when I go to a quick little car wash to rinse it down, I don't ever use the shampoo, and when I do, I just feel like it's whatever. Because obviously they're not going to use like good shampoos at like those $5 car washes that you could go to. I haven't washed my car with like an actual shampoo in so long, and I really like how it looks. It looks really shiny and glossy. Now let's clean the interior, which is another thing that I've neglected for a really long time. I'm so embarrassed every time I go in there myself. Like, I embarrass myself. I already took out most of the trash that I have in my car. Oh yeah, let's take this off. Dusty. I don't even know if you can tell on camera. You probably could because it's just so bad. Nasty. I had a whole bunch of trash in here and just like a bunch of trash in here. Like, I don't know, it just like accumulated over time, and I know that's gross. I don't even know why I'm telling you guys, but I'm being honest. I feel like the colder months always just kind of like take different toll on everybody, and for me it definitely makes me lazier, even though it's my favorite time of the year is like December, January, because it's my birthday in January. Is anyone else's birthday January 25th? Oh my god, it's so windy. I want to see if your birthday is near or January 25th. Comment down below. Or actually, comment down below when your birthday is. It's so nasty. Okay, let's get to cleaning this dump, this literal dump. Ew, so dusty. Probably should have taken off the dust first. I have the most randomest things in my thing. I have tape that I haven't even used. I have a Dayquil shot thing. I have my Conce wheel cover that I have yet to put on my old one. I have fuses. I don't even need these in here no more. I have a little spoolie for my eyelashes. Hair tie. Pens, this little, and a hand sanitizer. So let's just clean it. It's actually peaceful cleaning my car. I feel like it's the same concept as like having a clean room, having a clean kitchen, having a clean house, like having a clean car. Same concept as that, because it's like you're in it and it's just like your space, you know. So like I've said a million times, I really let my car go for a second there, but I don't want it to. I'm gonna take all that stuff out that I just showed, so I'm just gonna keep this and keep that like that. I don't need the other stuff. I really don't. I have my tire air pressure reader. I have some electrical tape. I have my Street Bliss keychain, some gum. Oh, look, a battery, like 2 more spoolies, a chapstick that I never use, so I'm gonna take that out. Another spoolie. Why do I have so many fuses in here? I think these are all blown fuses. This is crazy. I got this air freshener when I ordered my stuff, and I didn't know it was black ice, so I wanted to smell it, and it's black ice, and that's the air freshener I use, so it works out perfectly. I officially finished my car. The interior looks so nice. It smells so good in here, and it just feels so fresh and clean, and I'm very happy. Very happy that I finally took the time to do this because it's been long awaited. just want to pop in and say thank you guys so much for watching. I do have an affiliate link with Rev Auto if you guys want to get 15% off your order. You guys can use the code ALEX15. I'll leave it up on the screen, or you guys can go to the link down below. I'll leave it in the description box. This was my first time using their products, and honestly I'm very pleased. I did buy just a couple things, like the basics, to try them out on my own and give you guys like a little review or my honest opinion, and I really liked it. I feel like my car right now stands out so much. Obviously the color already stands out on its own, but when it is clean and when it has like that extra glossy layer when it is washed, it just looks so good, and I feel like the shampoo did a really good job. I know I already said it earlier. Overall, I really liked all the products. It was my first time using it, and yeah, that's where I'm gonna be ending the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.